fun. Hold on, we're watching Grandma make her Tom and Jerry drink here. What are you looking for? I have some ginger ale. I thought maybe you and Katrina would like some ginger ale.
Yeah, ginger ale. Would you want like some ginger ale? No, this is very old here.
That's not old, honey. You just gotta really watch, because the back end will come up on you. Okay, Grandma's making her drink here. Right here. There's long stirry spoons on that side. Look at that.
He's almost dead.
Santa's almost dead? You guys.
That looks thick and creamy.
Well, you better help.
Okay, he's dead. No, he's not. He's almost. Come on, he's almost.
Has this been opened?
I don't know. Can't remember.
No.
No. Oh, you don't have fingernails.
No.
He's dead.
Can you open that?
Oh, the pain and misery.
Maybe I can open it.
Poke you with a knife. There you go.
I couldn't even get the batter in the cup. Spilling it.
Okay, Daphne's got your nutmeg. Right there.
Yeah.
Force it open.
Thank you. Ah. I want too much nutmeg now.
How you doing there?
How's that?
Oh, you got the powdered sugar in. Okay, there's the taste. How is it?
Not bad.
Yay! All right.
It's the nutmeg. Not bad.
All right. Good
Excellent. Hang on to the
job.
recipe, Cindy.
Okay.
But I think we should cut it down by half.
Yeah, we got a lot of batter there, huh?
It's too much.
I think we got enough there
You'll be
for.
drinking Tom and Jerry's for about a month.
I don't know that the batter will keep.
No, it probably won't keep that long.
Fresh eggs. About a month or two.
Okay. Well, good. There's our Tom and Jerry. Yay,
Okay,
success.
everybody can have a comment.